Good morning. Welcome to South Middle School.
Thank you.
At SMS, we choose kindness because it's who we are.
Unity Day is more than one day. It's a commitment to be there for each other all year.
SMS is a family. It's you, it's me, and it's all of our experiences and ideas that we have together.
This year, let's connect to each other, lead with kindness, and explore respect like never before.
Hey South Middle School, what's up? My name is Jawans and I'm a senior. I heard about your goal to spread love and make South Middle School and our community the best place it can be. I can't wait to see what you all do and the difference you make. Good luck. Go change the world.
Hey South Middle School, what's up? My name's Katie Denebeer and I'm a sophomore and I play on the basketball team. I heard about your mission to spread kindness and to make SMS and our community a better place. I can't wait to see what you do and the differences you'll make. Good luck and go change the world.
Let me tell you something, South Middle School. 10,000 acts of kindness. We got this. Let's go!